Is it possible to compare new and old tax regime? Industry expert Gopal will share his thoughts with us now.
So this is the slab rates that is available under the old and the new regime. I want to make one more observation. We compared to the old and new regime, never be bothered about no, can I go for a new regime because the slab rates are much better. So I'll go for the new regime. But please understand case to case. So I cannot give you a thumb rule that, okay, new regime is better than old regime. By looking at the numbers, new regime is actually better than old regime. But certain deductions are not eligible under new regime. So maybe you forego the deductions and then you want to avail. Maybe you are not eligible for the deduction. So then new regime may be better to you. But if it is better for Mr. Gopal, it need not be better for Mr. Krishna. So therefore, case to case, your income, your deductions, your source of income have to be analyzed, and then only we need to go for it.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also, you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.